2014 Amarok. So what the problem with it is that when you turn the key, it doesn't turn all the way to the starter and just turns just a fraction. If you put the lock upside down, and what happens is that whatever the part is in the middle, bounce it around a bit like that, and then when you go to turn it, the key now turns the full way. I'm going to do this. So it was doing like that before. Give it a bit of a bang. Now let's try it again. See, now it's turning the full way. See? So what we need to do is remove that part that's in there that's common, so the ignition actually turns the full way for the starter motor. So we'll pull it apart.